Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYCC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but what a nice day for this one. After the gap up, not only did it gap up and maintain the gains, but it continued to build upon those gains. And then you look at the final 30 minutes. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see a good, solid green candle. In fact, the price closed right up there at the high of the day. So, in other words, nice day. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this, the remainder of the week. So let's first start talking about areas of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $6, that would be a great sign of power. Now, if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, staying above it would be the best case scenario for sure. Next level of support after $6 down there at $5.25. And then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. But a very easy way to look at this is just as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. Because if you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase, and that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So $6, $5.25, nearer term levels of support, but kind of the grand scheme perspective of supports, just keep an eye on that purple line, 50-period simple moving average. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to fight upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, we may need to go to another time frame. I'm not quite sure. Because at a point, it gets way too hard to, yeah. So let's just go to the daily time frame here. There we go. I've done this one before in the past, so let me get these lines out of the way here. So yes, it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. So now each one of these does indeed represent an entire day's worth of time, which would be more of what, like I said, you'd normally see. So next key level of resistance looks to be right up there at about $7. So $7, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, as long as the price starts building higher bases, the long-term chart here will take care of itself. But very strong start to the week. It'll be interesting to see how it all unfolds. Still 4 days left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.